Okay, we're going to put some oil on to our pork shoulder. Now we're going to put some of our chili powder that we made in the last episode. And we're going to take our cilantro and the rest of our garlic. I didn't see that, but I just added some more oil. I'll let this sit. I'm going to go ahead and stick this in a bag really quick. Alright, there you are. I put it in a little baggie and then stuck that inside of this little Tupperware container. We're going to stick this in the fridge again overnight. And we will continue on with this guy in the morning. So, yep. Already smells really good. But you wouldn't know because there's no such thing as smell-o-vision. So, have a good night. Okay, and welcome back to Cooking with Curtis. Today we are finishing up our pulled pork, our pork shoulder, or pork butt. It's bone in. I started marinating it yesterday. Marinated it with my chili powder and some oil and some cilantro and some salt and pepper and garlic. So I'm going to be smoking it with mesquite wood chips. I'm going to be smoking in my little Chief smoker over there. So let's go ahead and get this out. Dude, this smells so good. Once again, it's too bad you guys don't have smell-o-vision. That's not a thing. It's a damn shame because this smells amazing. Go ahead and put that under there so it doesn't drip on the thing. So go ahead. Look at this guy. Oh, look at that. Look. Set him in our smoker. And leave this in there for about 2.5 hours before I put it in the oven. There's that. Before I'm going to go take it inside, I'm going to be, well, I'll just go take it inside and show you what we'll be doing. I'm going to add some apple cider. Then I'm going to seal it up. And there you go. I'm going to be taking this and sticking it in the oven at 300 degrees for a couple hours until it is done. Okay, and while that bread is in the oven cooking, I went ahead and took this out. This is cooking at a much lower temperature than that bread was. So, whoop, I mean, it's hot. Go ahead and watch on out for it being hot. And, oh, that smells amazing. Oh, yeah, you can't smell that, but you can really smell the cumin. You can smell the chili peppers. You can smell all the garlic. And the smoke from the smoker. Let's go ahead and see if it's done here. And so here we are with our pork shoulder. We're getting ready to turn it into some pulled pork, which you can use for all sorts of different amazing tasting dishes, such as tacos, burritos. I'm going to turn it into a Cubano sandwich. And so right now, what we're going to do is we're going to pull this apart and let it soak in the juices that are down there. And once we're done doing that, and then it's pretty much good to go. Let's see. And you know you've done it right when you can just start doing this to it and it falls apart like it is. That's what you're going to go for. And it'll do that only if you cook it low and slow. If you cook this at a really high heat, it won't do that. You won't get tasty pulled pork like this. You'll get crap that you don't want to eat. Anyways, so cook it low and slow, and you'll come out a winner every time. And there we have our pulled pork, our finished product. It's all pulled apart, sitting in its own juices. You're going to want to save the juices to sit in because the juices are tasty. Let's go ahead and taste this now. Let's just find a piece to taste. And look at that. And oh, that is just absolutely delicious. That is a winner. This is excellent. I am just pleased as punch. You can, like I said, use this for all sorts of tasty things. I'm going to be using it for a Cubano sandwich. So, you guys have a good night. Watch that video too.